We've got this truly spectacular property to show you here at the end of the Burraneer Peninsula, street to deep waterfront living with incredible views. Come and take a look through 38 Rutherford Avenue. Has been renovated throughout, but what I really love is that they've kept some of these great original features of the home. The vaulted ceilings, the sandstone fireplace and the light-filled atrium.
What an amazing view this property offers. You've almost got your own private surf break right out the front. I also love the quality of the water here. It's so crystal clear blue. It's rare to be able to have these beautiful rolling lawns on your waterfront. Great for kids, and it's also good to enjoy the view. Then after work, you can just get changed into your wetsuit, go for a surf.